is hard if you break it down into small chunks.
Hi, so 16 days to PSLE. Let's read today's question. Kelly bought 4 times as many pens as notebooks and spent a total of $21.60. She spent $2.40 more on the notebooks than the pens. Given that a notebook costs $3.20 more than a pen, find the cost of a pen. So this is what is going on here, that the quantity given, 4 times as many pens as notebooks. Now, and the dollars, we're given the value that the total amount spent would be $21.60 and the amount spent on the notebooks is $2.40 more. Okay, now let's find out the amount spent on each, on the pens as well as the notebook. So first thing, I can take $21.60 minus $2.40. We get $19.20, and if we divide that by 2, we will find out each of these parts here. Okay, that the total amount spent on pens would be $9.60, and the total amount spent on the books would be $9.60 plus the $2.40. So $9.60 would be actually the 4 units of the pens. Okay, so what we need to find out is actually 1 unit, the cost of 1 unit of the pen, which will be $9.60 divided by 4. Okay, that's $2.40. We have to compare the difference between each unit. So 1 unit of the pen, the cost of 1 unit of the pen, we need to compare it with the cost of 1 unit of the notebooks. So the cost of 1 unit of the notebooks will be $9.60 plus $2.40, which is $12. Okay. Now the difference between each unit over there would be $9.60. Now there is a difference between the cost of 1 unit over there, 1 unit of each over there, because there is a difference in the price of the notebook and the pen. Every notebook costs $3.20 more than the pen. So that's 1. So between 1 notebook and 1 pen, the difference is $3.20. So right here, the difference between 1 unit is $9.60. How did the $9.60 come about? If we do a division, it tells us that it's $9.60 because there are 3 items inside each unit. There are 3 items inside each unit. That is why the difference is $9.60. Okay? So the question wants us to find out the cost of a pen. A pen, let's look here. We found just now, right? The cost of 1 unit of pens, $2.40. So inside 1 unit of pen, we have 3 pens, right? 3 items. So if $2.40 is the cost of those, we can simply divide and we will get 80 cents, which is the cost of 1 pen. Alright, so that's all for this question. I'll see you tomorrow.